You're in my clip, babe.
Oh shit.
Can you close the door? Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you couldn't tell by my voice, I'm a little sick. Great. But I still wanted to film for you guys, even though I'm not feeling the best. And also I had to get this video up. So today's video is going to be my IPSY bag unbagging and review, as usual. So yeah, very quickly before we get into the products and everything, I do want to quickly say, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would just hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell right next to it, and that will basically just let you know when I upload, because apparently YouTube has this thing where even if you're subscribed, sometimes it doesn't tell you when I upload, so the notification bell will just always ensure that you're always notified every single time that I upload. Oh my god, you guys. Shut up. Ebony, stay in the closet. Big Daddy, leave her alone. My cat just started to scare the crap out of me. I heard growling and I'm like, okay. Nobody has walked through the door, no animals walked through the door, so what are they growling at? But no, Ebony's just hiding in the closet and she does not like Big Daddy, so. What was I saying? Okay, so if you're not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there, because I post looks that I plan on doing. I post the looks once they're already up, so you're like one of the first people to know. I also do polls, so you guys can interact with me and tell me what you guys want to see and decide what the next video is going to be. And right now I'm doing the 100 days of makeup challenge, so every single day for 100 days I'm posting my makeup, and so you guys can see that as well. And some of the looks, like today's look, I'll be posting or whatever, so like some of the looks you'll see on my Instagram will also be tutorials, so yeah. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. One of the first products I got is this stuff. Anyway, this came in a 2-pack, so I only have one left because I did one last night. I was prepared. I tried it before I started filming, because I have done this before where I was not prepared before I started filming. So this is the Botanic Fiber, I think is the, oh no, BioBell is the brand. Facial mask, perfect radiance with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. And it's like, the name of it, I guess, is #UnicornGlow. Let's see, vegan, cruelty-free, anti-pollution, that's cool, with natural extracts, botanic fiber, paraben-free, gluten-free, no GMOs, boosts radiance, illuminates your look, and gives that unicorn glow. So, yeah, so I tried this yesterday. I've actually gotten this brand before, my IPSY bags. I like it. I feel like it's kind of hard to not like a sheet mask. I don't know, I haven't really come across one that I don't like, so, but, yeah, so I've gotten this brand before, and I tried it yesterday, and honestly I thought it was nice. It doesn't really smell like chocolate like you'd think. Like normally like chocolate face masks, like you immediately smell the chocolate. Oddly enough, it smells like coffee to me, and I don't know why. Like if you got this in your IPSY bag, or if you tried this before, you know, whatever, let me know, like, am I crazy? Does this smell like coffee? Because like I swear, like it did not smell like chocolate or mulberry or honey. But it is really nice and cooling on the skin. It did leave a nice glow behind and like lots of radiance and all that good stuff. I will say, usually products that give you a lot of glow, usually they tend to be pretty hydrating, and this one, I mean, while it was like, you know, a bunch of serum on your face and everything, I found it wasn't very hydrating, and I only know this because I just was like totally like not there yesterday when I was doing my makeup. And when I did this mask, I actually had a birthday party dinner thing to go to, so I did my like face makeup, and I totally forgot to moisturize afterwards, or you know, after using this face mask, whatever it's called. And my foundation was a little drier than it usually is, and like I know my foundations, like I've been using them, so it's not like it's a new foundation or anything like that, and so it was a little dry. So I will say that this isn't moisturizing per se, but it did give a nice glow. So so the next product, I was thinking about trying this before, and I was like, you know what, I'll just try it during, like, while I'm filming. This is the IPSY Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Ooh, it's got 5% glycolic acid. I feel like that's a lot. Or is it 0.5? Nope, it's 5. I'm gonna shake it up. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it up or not, but I've heard really good things about this stuff, but I have never tried it. Oh god. I don't have nails to open it. Maybe I can just, like, do I have a brush? I came unprepared. Ew. I wonder if you see immediate results with this stuff. Oh. Thought I felt a burning sensation, but I thought I felt a burning sensation, but I think I'm just crazy. Sorry if this lighting is weird. It's nighttime. Dusk. And, I think, honestly, this is actually pretty good lighting opposed to what my ring light lighting normally looks like. Normally it looks really weird, and there's like a bunch of shadows. But I think this actually doesn't look half bad. I did it on the lowest setting. Usually I don't. And, I don't know. And I also usually use, like, there's like 3 settings for my ring light. Like this one, a warm setting, and like a blue tone setting. I usually use the blue toned one because it always looks right, but today I used this one. I think this is like the white light one or whatever. And in the mirror that I'm using as my viewfinder, because I don't own a viewfinder, it looks pretty good, so I think I might have figured out the way. Oh, I also normally position it higher, and I have it like level with my camera and my face right now, so I think we're getting places, people. So, my first thoughts, I guess my skin feels soft. Did I get my nose? I don't know. I also don't know if I got my chin. Well, now we did. Where's my mirror? I think my pores look smaller. It could just be this lighting, but I think my pores look smaller, and I feel like there's a bit of a glow here, which, it's a glow tonic. But no, seriously, I think I like see, you know, a bit of a glow on my skin. I kind of like that. Felt nice on the skin. I thought I felt the burning sensation for a second there, but no, I don't. So that was just a little crazy, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I was scrubbing too hard. So yeah, so now I can moisturize my face. This one's supposed to soothe the skin, so maybe if there is any burning sensation, that'll take care of that. Okay. Big Daddy, you can't talk during my video. He's a chatty one, dude. I normally don't... Are you done? I normally don't have this many animals with me when I'm filming, but I didn't know Ebony was in the closet, and Pebbles is usually here. She's my dog. Pebbles is usually here. But I didn't know that my cat Ebony was here in the closet, and Big Daddy just helped himself in right before I started filming, so I was like, alright. If my background looks a little messy, which you probably can't see right now because I'm sure there's shadows covering it, thank God. But if you know, some of my videos, my background looks a little messy, I'm sorry. We're getting ready to move, and right now we're kind of in this little limbo state with our moving because the current tenant just doesn't want to get out, even though she got plenty of time. So yeah, so we're kind of just sitting ducks, and I have a bunch of moving stuff everywhere, boxes and clothes and whatever else. So I apologize for my messy background if you guys ever see it. I try to hide it as best I can, but sometimes it just ain't gonna happen. Lips are moisturized, face is moisturized. So the next product I'm going to try out, I also tried this yesterday, so I already know that I like it, but I'm still going to try it on camera for you guys because then there would be no point to this video. But this is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Base Skin Equalizer. Y'all are familiar with this, you know, they're Step 1 primers. So yeah, so I tried this yesterday, and I really liked it. I was like, oh, maybe I should save it for like a first impression on camera, and I was like, no, not gonna happen. I actually like it so much that I kind of want to go buy it, but it really is just nice and hydrating, and it also like really created like this nice smooth like base, and it filled in my pores, which I'm always concerned about because these, I swear to God, my pores are getting bigger and bigger by the day. But yeah, I really like it. We've got some nice glow going on, and I don't know if it's the glow tonic or if it's the primer. I don't know, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. So yeah, but I really liked this base, and I kind of want to go buy it once I'm in need of a primer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera because the next few products don't come in until much later. So yeah, so I'm going to go do my face products and whatever, and we'll be back. Okay, so I went and had dinner, and then, just a little bit of my makeup, so here we are, and it was nighttime at this point, so I had to change my lighting up a little bit, plus I had to do voiceover because Dom wanted to play his video game, so here we are. So the next product we're trying out is the Luxie Small Shader Brush 245, and I just used this for a multitude of reasons in this look. I used it to pack on some shadow on my lid, like you can see here. And because it's so dense and so small, I could actually create like a cut crease look without having to use any concealer or anything like that. It was really super easy. And then what I'm doing here in the outer corner is I actually was able to create like this winged out effect with my shadow. And that was super easy as well. I really liked this brush. I love all the Luxie brushes that IPSY sends me. They're really great quality. They're really soft, and I don't have any problems with shedding or anything. So here's a look at the shadow once it's on there. And then I also tried using it to put shadow on the lower lash line, and it worked great, but I just decided that I didn't want any shadow on the lower lash line. I wanted it kind of a top-heavy look, so I rubbed that away and then inevitably rubbed away some of my concealer. So I used the brush once I cleaned it off to blend out my concealer. It worked great for that too. She was a very multi-purposeful gal. And then you'll see in a second, I also used her to put shadow in the inner corner, and honestly, I like it. It's a really great brush. So, and like I said, as you can see, I like it. And then here I'm just applying a little bit of liquid lipstick just to have a base underneath the next product that's to come. This is, you'll see in a second, I'll show it. It's the Estate Lip Icing in Goody. And it's a very sheer gloss. I tried it on its own before without anything underneath it. It's very sheer, but I don't know, when I wore it on its own, I felt like the sparkles in it were very, like kind of chunky and whatnot, but then when I applied it in this clip or whatever, I didn't feel any of the sparkles or anything like that, so I don't know, it was, but honestly, I did like that it added like this very juicy look to my lips, which not all glosses give me, but I don't know, I really liked the juicy, full effect that it gave to my lips. And it felt pretty moisturizing too. So that's all the products that I got in my IPSY bag and my thoughts on them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, and then now you can enjoy a few more seconds of me posing. I'll see you next time. Bye.